Discover how you can earn free cryptocurrencies just by completing simple tasks on your smartphone. This video reveals a game-changing app that lets you passively grow your crypto portfolio without any investment. Stop watching your friends get rich. Learn the secret to earning free digital coins today. Before we dive in, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. Trust me, you don't want to miss out on any of our awesome videos. I'm always dishing out cool and super effective ways to make some cash online. The best part? You can do this stuff from pretty much anywhere on the planet. It'd be awesome if you could drop a comment below telling me which country you're tuning in from. That way, I can whip up some videos tailored to your region. Now, let's get started. Discover the easiest way to earn free cryptocurrencies anytime, anywhere. CryptoBull is a revolutionary mobile app that allows you to earn digital currencies just by completing simple tasks and activities on the go. No complex trading, no investments, just quick, convenient crypto rewards that fit seamlessly into your daily routine. Earn Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other top coins by watching videos, taking surveys, playing games, and more. It's a frictionless way to build your crypto portfolio without any hassle. Imagine a future where you can passively grow your wealth through the power of cryptocurrency. With CryptoBull, that future is here. Join the thousands of users already tapping into this incredible opportunity to earn free crypto assets that can skyrocket in value. It's time to take control of your financial destiny and let CryptoBull put the keys to crypto riches in the palm of your hand. With an impressive 4.5-star rating from nearly 10,000 reviews, it's clear that users love what they're getting. And it's not just a few people. Over 100,000 downloads prove that this app is a trusted favorite in the crypto community. These numbers speak volumes about the app's reliability, user-friendly interface, and valuable features. Whether you're a seasoned trader or just starting out, CryptoBull is the tool you need to stay ahead in the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency. CryptoBull app allows you to participate and earn cryptocurrencies without having to invest cash. Join our plethora of games, surveys, and activities to earn free Bitcoin, Ripple, Bitcoin Cash, Tether, or Litecoin. With CryptoBull, you can easily convert your earnings into popular cryptocurrencies like BTC, BCH, XRP, USDT, or LTC. Imagine watching your payouts increase in value as the crypto market rises, all without risking your own money. CryptoBull is the perfect solution for anyone looking to maximize their free time. Whether you're commuting, waiting for friends, or simply relaxing, you can earn free Bitcoin by completing short surveys and playing engaging games. It's that simple. What sets CryptoBull apart is its user-friendly payout system. Transferring your earnings to trusted wallets like Binance, Coinbase, and Crypto.com is quick and hassle-free. You'll be amazed at how quickly your portfolio can grow without any initial investment. Don't settle for ordinary survey apps when you can have the best. CryptoBull offers an unparalleled variety of games and surveys, ensuring you'll never run out of ways to earn free money and Bitcoin rewards. Don't let the opportunity pass you by. Join CryptoBull and start building your Bitcoin fortune. Thanks so much for sticking around till the end of the video. It means a lot to us. If you had a good time and got something out of it, we'd be super stoked if you could give us a quick thumbs up and drop a comment too. We love hearing from you guys. If you're feeling extra awesome, why not share it with your friends? And hey, if you want to catch more of our videos, hit that subscribe button and turn on those notifications. That way, you won't miss out on any of the cool videos we've got coming up. We seriously appreciate your support.